What if the next 30 days could completely change your life? Not in a dramatic, overnight way, but in a quiet, powerful shift that changes how you think, act, and live every single day. Because the truth is, your life doesn't change when you feel motivated. It changes when you follow the right rules consistently. Here are 5 rules that can reset your life in just 30 days. Rule number 1. Control your mornings before they control you. Most people wake up and immediately check their phone. Messages, notifications, distractions, and within minutes, their mind is no longer theirs. But highly focused people protect their first hour. No scrolling, no noise, no chaos. Just clarity. Even 30 minutes of silence, planning, or focused work can change the direction of your entire day, because how you start your day decides how you live it. Rule number 2. Do the hard thing first. Your brain naturally avoids discomfort, so it keeps pushing difficult tasks later until they never get done. But when you face the hardest task early, something shifts. You build momentum, you reduce stress, and the rest of your day feels lighter. It's not about working more, it's about removing the weight from your mind. Rule number 3. Reduce decisions. Every small choice you make drains your mental energy. What to wear, what to eat, what to do next. It seems small, but it adds up. That's why highly productive people simplify their lives. They create routines. They repeat what works. Not because they lack creativity, but because they protect their energy for what actually matters. Rule number 4. Eliminate distractions before they appear. Most people try to focus while distractions are still around. That never works, because your brain always chooses the easier option. So instead of fighting distractions, remove them. Put your phone away. Close unnecessary tabs. Create an environment where focus becomes the default, because discipline is easier when there is nothing to escape to. Rule number 5. Take action, even when you don't feel like it. This is the rule that changes everything. You will not always feel motivated. You will not always feel ready. But action doesn't come after motivation. It creates it. Every time you act despite resistance, you rewire your brain. You become someone who follows through, and that identity is more powerful than any short burst of motivation. Now here's the reality. None of these rules are complicated, but they are uncomfortable, and that's exactly why they work. If you follow these 5 rules for the next 30 days, you won't just see results. You'll become a different person. So don't wait for the perfect moment. Start today. Start small, but stay consistent. Because small actions, repeated daily, create massive change over time. WisVault. Unlock your mind. If you're ready to take control of your habits, focus, and life, subscribe now for more powerful psychology content that actually works.